welcome to the first episode of Toca Life Theory. This is a new series and I don't know how many episodes we'll be doing, but I'll definitely be doing a second one, so keep your eyes peeled for the second episode. So first we're going to be looking at this purple bird right. So we're going to look at who is this bird, what is this bird and why is it here. And so I did some research on purple birds and I found this. Sorry, this is what I found. There were a few others, but they're not as purple as you can see. But anyway, the bird that I found is called a violet-backed starling. So, the bird on the beach is a male because the female is brown. So yeah, and they live in a terrestrial biome, which in case you didn't know that, it means that they live in deserts and in and in tropical forests. So basically, if you put that together, it's like a beach resort thing for So there's our theory done. So we have got a violet-backed starling bird that likes living on the beach.